Discover the Tile Slim 1 Pack, a sleek Bluetooth tracker revolutionizing the way you keep tabs on your essentials. With its slender design, this tracker seamlessly integrates into wallets, luggage tags, and more, providing a robust range of up to 250 feet. Its water-resistant feature ensures durability in various environments. Meet the Hyphacy Pomodoro Timer Cube, a sleek and effective productivity tool designed to elevate your time management experience. With preset intervals ranging from 3 to 60 minutes, this smart countdown timer simplifies the renowned Pomodoro technique, aiding in focused work and strategic breaks. The cube's user-friendly design allows for easy activation and adjustment of time intervals, promoting a seamless workflow. Its stylish black finish adds a touch of sophistication to your workspace while ensuring functionality. By seamlessly integrating the Pomodoro technique into your routine, the Hyphacy Pomodoro Timer Cube becomes your ally in boosting productivity, fostering a balanced work-rest cycle, and enhancing overall time management efficiency. Step into a more organized and productive work routine with this innovative and easy-to-use time management tool.
Presenting the KY8000 soundbar with dynamic surround sound system. In this video, you will find product features and connection details on how to connect the KY8000 to your TV. Introducing the KY8000 soundbar. This soundbar is designed to enhance your home theater audio experience. First, we will go over some of the product details, box contents, and we will be showing you on how to set up the soundbar to your TV by Bluetooth, auxiliary, HDMI and optical. This is the power button. You can short press the power button to turn on or long press for 2 seconds to power off. After the sound bar is turned on, you can switch between Bluetooth, HDMI, auxiliary, and optical mode by short pressing the power button. With the play/pause button, short press to play or pause song during Bluetooth mode. Volume up and volume down button allows you to increase or decrease volume or long press to previous or forward to the next song. On the back of the soundbar, you will find service only, HDMI ARC, optical, auxiliary, and DC in power port. The KY8000 supports multiple audio formats and is plug and play. The soundbar remote allows you to switch between connection modes, play or pause, next or previous songs. If the volume is too low after connection, use the boost button to increase volume.
Tired of food sticking to the pan? You try to scrape it, and then you scratch it. You may as well trash it. Not anymore. Hi, Chef Daniel Green here with Gotham Steel, the newest technology in non-stick cookware made with ceramic and super strong titanium. Stronger than ever before. It's literally like cooking on air. Everything slides right off. This pan makes cooking so easy. Check out this s'mores recipe. Start with chocolate chips, add sweetened condensed milk, marshmallows, and then bake. That's right, use Gotham Steel in the oven to up to 500 degrees. And then look, it slides right out. Delicious. And it's dishwasher safe. Watch, you'd never whisk eggs in a non-stick pan, right? Well, you can with my pan. Use metal and never make a scratch ever. No oil or butter. Absolutely no sticking and no scratches. It's amazing. Plus make flavorful flaky salmon and grill steaks to perfection. Look, burnt cheese is a frying pan disaster. Not with my pan. Shredded parmesan, right on the heat. And here's a secret. Shape a bowl for a unique way to serve party dips. Even fire won't damage Gotham Steel. Make steak fajita flambe with ease. No burnt stuck on mess. Just a clean pan and flawless food every time.
Did you ever miss the brilliant moment because you can't shoot while driving? Did you ever put yourself in danger because you tried to record the beautiful scenery while driving? Let me introduce 70My Smart Dash Cam to you. It's an innovative meat ecosystem product from China. It supports intelligent voice control and app connection, makes recording easy ever since. Integrating AI algorithm, 70My trained the voice recognition model with more than 20,000 different voices, accents, and dialects. To make the recognition as accurate as possible, 70My team keeps testing and optimizing the product over 5 months in different vehicles' inside environment. Your driving experiences will now be more enjoyable. With your hands on the wheel, you can still capture the perfect still shots or videos with just your voice commands.
Record video.
Start recording.
Take picture.
Photo was saved.
The 70My is equipped with Sony IMX323 image sensor, which helps maintain high-definition image quality even on cloudy days or the dark of night. Meanwhile, the 130-degree wide-angle lens covers multi-lanes, so there are endless options of views. 70mm is also equipped with a 3-axis gravity sensor. The gravity sensor allows 70mm to record the process of an emergency collision. The emergency video is separately saved to ensure it not be recovered by regular loop recording. This feature helps you provide evidences for insurance and avoid falling into cheating. With 70My app, you can preview the recording images in real time on your phone. And it's convenient for you to browse the video list and export video files at any time. The installation of 70My is quite easy, just 2 simple steps. The power is provided by your cigarette lighter port right in your own car. No extra power source or batteries needed. It can be rotated to a variety of angles to suit different models of cars. This is uncommon 70My Smart Dash Cam. Life is a beautiful journey. Enjoy every time on the road with the company of 70My.
Introducing the Bluetooth speaker with HD sound, a portable and versatile audio companion for various occasions. Boasting crystal clear sound quality, this wireless speaker ensures an immersive listening experience. With an IPX5 waterproof rating, it is ideal for both indoor and outdoor use, making it perfect for home, parties, outdoor adventures, and beach outings. Featuring up to 24 hours of playtime, TWS pairing for a stereo experience, and advanced Bluetooth 5.3 technology, this speaker provides seamless connectivity and extended entertainment. In a sleek black design, it doubles as a stylish electronic gadget and makes for a thoughtful birthday gift. Elevate your audio experience with this powerful and durable Bluetooth speaker that harmonizes technology, style, and functionality in one compact device. Introducing the Full Star Vegetable Chopper, a versatile kitchen tool designed to simplify your food preparation. This 4-in-1 device functions as a spiralizer, vegetable slicer, onion chopper with a container, and a pro food chopper. In a clean and efficient white design, it streamlines the process of slicing, dicing, and cutting various vegetables with precision. The included container ensures a mess-free experience, adding convenience to your cooking routine. Elevate your culinary skills with the Full Star Vegetable Chopper, a multifunctional kitchen essential that combines efficiency and simplicity in one sleek package, making it a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their cooking experience. Meet the Robotwist Jar Opener, the deluxe automatic jar opener that revolutionizes your kitchen experience. Boasting improved torque, this advanced model effortlessly tackles jar lids of all sizes, making it an indispensable kitchen gadget for home use. As an electric, hand-free solution, the Robotwist Jar Opener takes the hassle out of stubborn jar lids, providing convenience at the touch of a button. Witness the ease of operation and the versatility of working on all jar sizes, as featured on TV. Upgrade your kitchen with the Robotwist Jar Opener, combining innovation and functionality to simplify your jar opening tasks, ensuring that you can effortlessly access your favorite foods without any fuss. Introducing the COSLUS Water Dental Flosser Teeth Pick, a portable and cordless oral irrigator designed for effective teeth cleaning on the go. With a 300 milliliters capacity, this rechargeable travel irrigation cleaner ensures convenience and thorough flossing. The IPX7 waterproof rating guarantees durability, making it suitable for use in various environments. This electric water flosser is a compact and efficient solution for maintaining oral hygiene, providing a powerful and effective cleaning experience. Elevate your dental care routine with the COSLUS Water Dental Flosser Teeth Pick, a versatile and travel-friendly flossing machine that combines convenience, portability, and efficiency for a healthier smile.
Are you interested in getting a plug-in mug warmer from Mr. Coffee? Here are a few things you need to know before you buy. 1. How hot does it get? The plate itself gets up to around 210 degrees Fahrenheit, almost hot enough to boil water. 2. How long does it take to warm up? From room temperature to 200 degrees takes about 3.5 minutes. 3. Okay, but does it actually work that well? With a standard mug, it was able to keep my coffee at about 115 degrees, which is definitely warm but not hot or burning. The instructions that come with it say pretty directly that it's designed to keep hot drinks at an ideal temperature for drinking, rather than to start with something cold and heat it up.